Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I am going to explain variables in Python and what are the rules we have to follow while writing variables. Okay, so first let me see what is this variable. Okay, so like this, observe this second point. A variable is a name attached to a value, is known as a variable. So we can call it as a variable is a name attached to some values. We can say that a is attached to 10. Okay, so this is what this line exactly saying is. Okay, now let's see the first point. A variable is defined as an alternate name for memory location. Exactly. So here it's an alternate name for memory location. So we can say that every variable is should be a unique. So it will be stored in separate memory location. Okay, that's what the line is saying. Okay, and can have a short name or a more descriptive name. Short name is nothing but here just we took the short name is a here. Okay, and if you want we can take the descriptive name as animal. Okay, animal is equal to 20. This is a descriptive name. Okay, so that's what the variable is. So let me recall once again. Variable is nothing but a variable is a name attached to some value. A variable is a name that is attached to some value. Okay, the second point is a variable is an alternate name for memory location. Okay, it's an alternate name for memory location and can have short name or a more descriptive name. Okay, yeah, so hope you guys understood this variable. Now let's see what are the rules we have to follow while writing variables. Okay, yeah, and the first rule is a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore characters. Okay, this is very important. Always a variable must start with a letter. Okay, must start with a letter or underscore. Okay, like a is equal to 10 or underscore animal is equal to 20. Okay, this is what the first point saying. Now let's see the second point. A variable name cannot start with a number. Okay, a variable should not start with any numeric number like a animal. So it should not start like this. Okay, it's completely wrong. That's what the second point is saying. You should not start with number. Okay, and the third rule which I want to follow, like which we want to follow, is a variable name can only have alphanumeric characters and underscore. Yes, so it can only have alphanumeric characters and underscore. It may be the capital one, it may be the capital one, okay, or small one, okay, and also underscore. Like these are things like we have to follow. Alphanumeric is nothing but alpha is nothing but a alphabet. Okay, alpha is nothing but a alphabet from A to Z. It may be capital or it may be small. Numeric is nothing but the numeric values like 1 2 3. So we can say that. So let me give an example for this alphanumeric value. Here we can say that count 2. Okay, this is nothing but a alphanumeric. This is nothing but a alphanumeric variable. Okay, that's what the third line is saying. Okay, now let's see the fourth point. A variable name are case sensitive. Yes, its variable name is very case sensitive. You have to be very careful because if I write name and name and name, all these three are the names are same, name, but the letters which we wrote here, it's completely small letters. Here the first letter is capital and the remaining is small. Here all the letters are capital. Okay, it matters a lot. So because this is completely different variables. Okay, yeah, that's what the third point is saying. It's a case sensitive. Okay, now let's see the last point. A variable name should not match with keywords. So you guys know like what are keywords available in Python. Like before, like I have explained, like if, else, okay, true, false, if, else, Okay, so these are like keywords available in Python, like there are many more. It should not match with these keywords. Okay, variable name should not match with these keywords. Okay, that's what the fifth point is saying. Okay, hope you guys understood. So like these are the rules like we have to follow while writing variables and the definition of the variable. Okay, yeah, so that's all guys. Still you guys have any doubts, please comment below. I will be answering all my doubts. Thank you.